Cool, so we finna take advantage of this cryptocurrency training program, and I'm gonna just make sure that you understand exactly what's going on the blockchain, all right?
Right.
So cool, so first question is, what's Bitcoin?
Well, Bitcoin is the world's very first decentralized digital currency.
Awesome, awesome. So what's a blockchain?
Well, the blockchain is a legal documentation. It's a ledger
Right.
that's completely open to the public, in which they can go look at all the transactions that goes on within the blockchain.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So what's decentralized?
Decentralized is not controlled by one central point. So like the government or nobody else has jurisdiction over what you have going on.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So it's not controlled by any single entity. All right, so explain to me, what's mining?
Well, mining is your computer using its processing power to help secure the blockchain and make valid transactions, but in which your computer's using its software and hardware to solve mathematical algorithms, in which the computers are now in competition with each other to solve these algorithms, and the winners get rewarded.
All right,
12.5 bitcoins.
Awesome, awesome. So what's a block reward?
The block reward is exactly what the miners do. They get rewarded for solving these mathematical algorithms, which is 12.5 bitcoins.
Awesome. Okay, cool. So what is a block halving?
Block halving, it falls back in line to the miners, because now what they're rewarded gets cut in half after 4 years. So 4 years from now, they solve mathematical algorithms. Instead of getting 12.5, they will get 6.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So the block reward is cut in half every 4 years, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. So what's Bitcoin scarcity?
Bitcoin scarcity is there are only a select number of Bitcoins that were ever made.
Right.
And there are already 16.5 million already in rotation. So
Right.
So the number of Bitcoins are getting lower and lower because it's scarce.
Okay, so what's the that set amount of Bitcoin that's gonna be created?
21 million.
21 million. 21 million. And it's already how many in circulation?
16.5 million.
16.5 million already in circulation. Awesome. Cool. So what is a block explorer?
Well, a block explorer, it is an online browser in which you can go on to and see every transaction that happened within a specific blockchain. You can even see when the blockchain was even made.
A block.
Yeah, the block.
Okay, when a block was made. All right. Awesome. So what's a node?
A node is anybody running the blockchain.
Anybody running a copy of the blockchain.
Cool. Yeah.
Cool. And also, what is a confirmation?
A confirmation is 6 transactions made valid.
6 transactions made valid?
6 confirmations, 6 valid confirmations.
6 confirmations. It takes up to 6 confirmations
To be for a confirmation to be made valid. It takes
for a transaction.
For a transaction to be made valid, it takes 6 valid confirmations. You need 6 confirmations for a valid transaction.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Exactly, exactly. What is proof of stake?
Well, proof of stake is it's very similar to the miners again, but at the same time, you're securing the blockchain and the transactions being valid, but you're staking or holding your coins to help secure the network.
Awesome, awesome.
And then in which you're going to be rewarded, just like the miners get rewarded. They get rewarded 12.5 bitcoins, but when your proof of stake is, you're getting rewarded with transaction fees.
Awesome, awesome. So what's a proof of stake coin?
Proof of stake coin would be something, for example, would be like BitConnect coin.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So what's a transaction ID?
Well, the transaction ID is how you track your transaction.
Awesome.
It should be like a set of numbers that go with this transaction.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So awesome. The transaction ID is definitely how you can track a transaction on the blockchain. So there you go, man. There you go. We got another successful graduate. Look like he's been studying in this. He's gonna become a lot more well versed in this space, and you can take advantage of this cryptocurrency training program too. Get some of this information about this new money out here. All right. So thanks again for joining us.
Thank you,
man.
I needed to learn this, bro.
Peace. See you in the next one.
All right, so you're not loaded up already, right? Is the machine like that gas long? It's gonna reroute it to your digital wallet, right? You got what the bank is right now? They've got on check, right? So they got online banking already, right? So they've already prepared you mentally for this digital currency shit that you're having right now. So they've already mentally prepared you. So now this is starting to happen right now in real time.
So where do you get your money?
This is one of the things I get the money on. One of the things I get my money on, but it's all connected.
It depends on when you're back in the point, depending on how that point is.
So what was your question again?
And
the receipt. Oh, man. All right, cool, bro. Congratulations, man. Taking advantage of that cryptocurrency trading program, man. So, man, you can be taking advantage of this too. I'm helping people all over around the world, especially in this local area right now. Take advantage of this new Bitcoin and this blockchain technology.
What's going on, y'all? My name is DeAndre Collins. I've been learning from my homeboy Stan about this BitConnect platform. He's been showing me a lot. Right now, I'm going to show you guys how to go into the exchange and change your Bitcoins to BitConnect coins. And then I'm also going to show you guys how to take your BitConnect coins and loan them out. So let me run you guys through this real quick. I'm going to go to the exchange. Right. See right here on the exchange, it shows you everything that's going on within the exchange. The market has been up and down a little bit. All right. Now you can see the market has been up and down a little bit. So, and right here we have the last bidding price, the last selling price, the highs, the 24-hour highs and the 24-hour lows. And right here is where you're going to buy BitConnect coins, and right here is where you sell your BitConnect coins for Bitcoin. And right here you have all the open buying orders and all the open selling orders. You also have you can see the history of your orders, the open orders that are still open that haven't been validated yet. Also, your order history and the whole entire market's order history right here. But I'm gonna take you guys back up and show you guys how to buy and sell some of these BitConnect coins. So right here you have the units, which would be the amount of BitConnect coins you're trying to purchase. Right here is the bidding what you would buy it for, how much you would buy it for. But me personally, I would put the last, because I want the last bidding price so the order can fill quicker. So right here I would just put all. So because the computer is mathematical power, it's going to calculate it all for you on its own. So I hit all, and right here it shows me that I'm going to get almost 2.5 units of BitConnect coin for 0.075. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy some. Got the confirmation and everything right here. I'm gonna hit confirm. Okay, I requested for that, and the order is still, as you see right here, the order is still open. So yeah, like I said, you guys, I'm back. So in the process of when you're trying to fill your order quicker, you could cancel the order and redo it. So that's what I'm in the process of doing now. I'm back at the box where I'm trying to buy, clicking all. With the buy. I requested to buy 2.5 BC at a price of 0.298. I'm going to go down and check in the open orders. It's not there. So it means it's been filled. So now I have available balance of 2.5 BCC. So now that I have them, I'm going to go back up, and now I'm going to go to the lending wallet.
Dashboard.
Go back to the dashboard, and now you see the box where it says Lend Bitcoin, BitConnect Coin. I'm going to click that, and now they give you different lending options from the 100 to 1,000 package, from the 1,000 to the 5,000 package, from the 5,000 to the 10,000 package, and the 10,000 to 100,000 package. And each one of these packages, after a certain amount of time, you will receive daily compensation on them, like 1% daily on all of them. But from the $100 to the $1,000 package, after 299 days, they're gonna give you your initial investment back. So if you lend it 100, after 300 days, you will get your 100 back.
Wait, how many BitConnect coins you got?
I have 2.5, so that's almost
2.5, and right now that's $100 a piece. So you probably can get about
lend out about 250.
All right, so that's gonna put you in this bracket right here. So tell me about that right there.
I mean, in the first bracket, I'm in 100 to 1,000 bracket. So the volatility software is gonna determine the daily compensation that I will receive from lending out 250 of my worth of my BitConnect coin, and after 299 days, I will receive my initial investment back, which would be $250. So now I will go down and read the earning interest on BitConnect loaning float over the time, and then it's exclusively decided by the volatility software of BitConnect trading bot.
So what does this mean right here?
Also, this basically means that the computer will generate how much compensation you will receive from lending your money out.
Based on what?
The volatility software and the BitConnect trading bot.
Okay.
So I will go down and hit I read the terms and conditions, and then pay from BitConnect wallet. And then right here is just confirmation. You can read through the steps. It gives you zero. You're paying 0 transaction fees. Keep in mind that your capital will remain locked for 299 days. Interest will be credited to your account daily. You can withdraw it anytime.
So what does that mean?
That means that the capital, so the initial $250 that I lended out, I cannot touch it. It's locked for 299 days. But my daily compensation, I can pull that out and push it back in freely however I want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit confirm. And it was a success.
Okay, cool. So go ahead and close it. You got it. So what if you want to go and check the transactions that happen on it?
I will go over here to transactions on the dashboard. And now it just shows you that I bought in my BitConnect wallet, my Bitcoin wallet, my lending wallet, and my Bitcoin Cash wallet. So on my BitConnect wallet, first of all, it shows me that I bought 2.5 BitConnect coins. So I will go over to my lending wallet. And okay, it shows you that as of today, at 12:30, I lended out $250. Date of capital release is on the 7th. Next month I will receive.
After 299 days, so that's 2018.
2018, I will receive my $250 back, right?
Yep, cool. Yeah, man, you ran through this pretty cool. So this is about it. Thanks for checking out the cryptocurrency training program. Thanks for being a part of this, man. And man, that's a good run through. You're gonna be doing a lot more. You're gonna start earning interest on the loan that you put out to that trading bot based off of the volatility software. All right, so I mean, it's pretty much gonna be like clockwork. You're gonna be able to go back here and you'll be able to watch all of the transactions as they start to go into your wallet. All right, you can see all of the payments every day. So yeah, man, thanks a lot for checking us out, and we'll see you in the next one.